This is my favorite. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by applying our eyeshadow primer. I'm using this by Morphe, and this is just going to make sure that our eyeshadows adhere to our lids. I'm using two different palettes for this eye look. The first palette, I'm going to be taking my transition color and popping that right in the crease. Then I'm going to take the second color, and this is going to go on the outer part of the eye just to give it a little bit more dimension and smoke it out. Taking my next palette, I'm going to use these two shades blended together and pop that on my lid. Now we're going to do our eyeliner, and I'm using this liquid liner by e.l.f. And this takes a little bit time and precision, so I'm going to take my time doing this and try to do a small wing on the outer part of the eye. Now it's time for the face. I'm using the e.l.f. foundation. I love this foundation. It does blur out my imperfections and it gives me even coverage. Now I'm going to contour using the e.l.f. concealer. Applying those in 4 different areas. We're going to take a small blending brush and just blend that out. Now we're going to do some highlighting. I'm taking the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, popping that underneath my eyes and also in my T area. Take a little bit of baking powder. We're going to place those everywhere we place those light concealers, and also cut my cheekbones. Now I'm going to go and smoke out my eyeliner with a sort of like a smoky gray color. This is just going to soften our wing eyeliner and also make our look a little bit more smoky. Applying the Stacye collection Flirty lashes. You can purchase these by clicking the link in my description box. Taking a e.l.f. eyeliner, we're going to go ahead and line our lower lash line, and then we're going to go back and smudge just out with a smudge brush and eyeshadow. Take a frosted color from the Morphe palette and pop that in the inner tear duct. This is completely optional, but I just felt like I wanted a little bit more pop of color. apply our lipsticks, I always go in with a lip liner, especially when I'm applying a nude color. And I'm just using a soft brown lip pencil by IMAN. I'm going to line our lips, and then we're going to take the Stacye Collections nude lipstick, pop that on our lower lip, and then you can just blend your lips together to get an even, smooth application.